Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to represent this camera because I want to sell this product. So if you want to buy this product, just you contact me. All description all about this camera I will put on the description box. If you want to buy, just contact me through Telegram and through email or whatever else. So this is the gokhatak camera, and this is the film based camera, and this is my funcab, and this is for gokhatak. That is a branded camera, gokhatak, or you can what is the funcab. This is the lens, everything is okay. So I have my father has a photography shop in a few years ago, and unfortunately it will closed, and lots of camera we are stocked at my home for this sale. So this is the one of them. So this is the shutter box, and this camera is very new, unused, not used. This is the flashlight. And this one, turn it, flash on. So this is for this flashlight on indicator. You shutter off, the flashlight turn off. When you need, then turn it off. If you find that this flashlight, this is the click button, this is the shutter click button. You open the shutter, this click. This is okay, it is locked. Open the shutter, and now you can see the click sound. So how to open its camera? Just click it here. Let's press this one, and it automatically open. You can see the open. You can insert the film here. It's the film based camera, not in digital camera. Or you can't insert the flash here because there are no option to flash the external flash, because it inbuilt flash here, so you can't insert the external flash. This is the flash for yes. This for good result use Konica. This brand is funcab, gokhatak. It's for Konica. This brand, the main brand is Konica, and there is no Konica seal here. So here you can see for good result use Konica 400 ASA film. For good result use Konica 400 ASA film. This is the ASA film. So close this one, and you can see outside the camera the what's inside this camera. And this is the panoramic view. This is the panoramic view when you click it here. This is the panoramic view. So if you want to buy this one, I want to sell this with affordable price. So just you contact me through Telegram or through this email, or you can leave a comment in the comment box. So I will contact to you, or you can. I have the Payoneer account, PayPal account, and you can or if you are coming from abroad, outside the India, so you can pay me through wire transfer or it directly deposit to my account. You can deposit to my directly my bank account through wire transfer. So thanks for watching.